This is the lesson 2 video notes for how to bracket. Hopefully you guys have had a chance to read some of the previous notes, especially the rules on how to bracket. This is pretty much the fundamentals, the foundation of the bracket method. We'll start you guys out with example 1 down on the bottom. I'm going to expand this out, and again the rule is very simple. Start at the beginning, look for that plus or minus sign, and stop it and start it again. Remember, don't ever stop inside the parentheses. Look for a plus and minus sign. Again, don't stop there. Keep it going. And again, just continue on. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's do example 2 real fast. Again, starting at the beginning and just going until we hit a plus or minus sign, and starting it over again. Remember to keep that plus or minus sign with the next term. Don't stop in the parentheses, no matter what you see. Very straightforward. Before we go to the worksheets, let me show you guys some common mistakes my kids make. The first one is called the tweener. They bracket correctly to begin with, but then they're not sure where to stop. So they'll go in between the next sign. As you guys can see, we're not really sure who that sign belongs to, and that's a big mistake. This sign belongs to that bracket. The next mistake is the nobody loves me bracket. They bracket, they even stop in the right spot, but then they start the next bracket after the sign. And again, we're not really sure who that belongs to, but in the system, this guy belongs to that term. The last mistake is called the scary movie bracket. This is for kids who do this type of bracketing. They start way down here, they go across, and they go down. And by the time you get done with this, it really does look like a scary movie title. But the problem with this is every time you do that, you take a chance of crossing a negative sign. And sometimes, especially when you're writing in black pencil, that looks like a plus. You guys can see the common mistake that is made, not on purpose, but it definitely doesn't work. Try not to do the scary movie bracket. You are officially ready to bracket.